And then just when you graduate, block them. Done.
Ang gaganda nila, mga maganda yung mga babae nila. Mga mga matangkad pa naman yan sila.
Of course.
Kaso lang, hindi talaga mawala yung mga mahiyain yung mga
I
babae.
was like, my mom was like,
Kaugal yan na yun.
I was like, my mom.
Parang
I have my
bahay lang
birthday
talaga
party,
sila.
Jim's birthday party. She was like,
Hindi
okay,
kagaya
when is it?
nito na kahit saan ano,
Exactly.
pero yung mga Pakistan na babae talaga, parang pang bahay
She was
lang
like,
talaga, hindi sila sanay sa mga
Okay,
ano.
we'll see. Till yesterday.
What's wrong?
She was like, do you have to go? I was like, Mom, I went to his 17th and 16th and 15th and
Ay,
14th.
birada ni Susan.
I do not go to the 18th.
Samaya!
Manok lang.
Lali!
Manok ang tinarget mo. Dalawang...
Pabayaan mo ah.
Hindi nagtanap ko. Miss.
Sorry.
Sabi niya nga maanghang, pero sige kain niya.
Si Susay nagreklamo naman.